Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button. It's just that little red button below. Basically get notified every time I post a video and just show your support for the channel if you do enjoy some of the videos that I have released. And if you're already subbed, I definitely appreciate the support. If you guys have any questions or new video ideas, definitely leave a comment down below. Stuff you may want to know and I can cover it in a YouTube video. But with that said, in today's video, I'm actually going to be talking about how to unlock a phone because that is an important part of iPhone reselling, because you want to know the exact carrier of the phone, because if you're selling on eBay or just a local marketplace, you want to advertise it in the right way, and it does affect the value based on the carrier of the actual device. So with that said, let's get into today's video. So this is a pretty simple thing, and if you're new to the industry or you are already in it, I didn't really know this information until a couple months into it, but it's as simple as two different ways you guys can check if an iPhone is unlocked. And the first way is simply you're going to go to the iPhone. So let's say this has to be unlocked, obviously. So if it hasn't been reset or anything, you're just going to go to the home screen. You're going to select settings. And then you're just going to go to cellular. And one thing you should be looking for is cellular data network. If that pops up, there's most likely chance that the phone is unlocked, because that basically indicates that you're trying to choose the carrier of what the phone is. So you just have to look for those three words, cellular data network, on the actual phone in the cellular setting in the iPhone, and that'll tell you if it's unlocked or not. But that doesn't necessarily always work, but it's a great first check if the phone isn't reset. The second way is actually to use two different carrier SIM cards. And that's one thing I always say. As you get into the industry and once you start gaining months in it, you're going to have phones where SIM cards are going to be left in the phone. And with that said, that's a very big advantage for you, because you're going to need SIM cards to test different carriers of phone. And one of the reasons why I actually keep these SIM cards for every different carrier that I can get is to check if they're unlocked. So if you have an iPhone, you're simply just going to take out the SIM card. So let's say the phone is, again, not reset. So you can basically go to the home screen. You want to see if it's unlocked. So you're basically going to take out the SIM card, put in one carrier SIM card, see if the little little words will pop on the top left hand corner. For me, as you can see, it would be AT&T, but you want to make sure that the carrier will pop up there, or else it'll say no service and the SIM card obviously won't be supported. Take out that SIM card and then put in a different carrier SIM card. I recommend changing to GSM versus CDMA, simply just to check if it's truly unlocked, where sometimes where phones, if they're AT&T, they can also be used by Cricket. So you just want to see if it's truly fully unlocked or just kind of like GSM unlocked. So because it does affect the value of the phone. So if I put in another SIM card, if you want to check for the same thing, if it has service, it has the little, if it has bars on it, if you can see the name of the carrier, go ahead and give it a call on each of these different SIM cards, because that's a true test if it will be able to be used on that actual carrier. That's one precaution I always take. Make the phone call. I would just call some random number or something like that. Make sure the call goes through, and then you're good to go for that. And let's now go into if the actual phone is already reset. You're meeting the person. You want to see if the phone is reset either during or you already bought the phone, just to see if it's actually reset. So again, you're going to go through the steps, and this is where you can truly check. This is my favorite way of doing it, but simply do the same thing with SIM cards, and if it's supported by that carrier, it'll let you go through the steps. If it's not, it'll say SIM not supported, and then you're able to tell that the phone isn't going to be used with that carrier, and therefore it's not unlocked. Again, these are two very simple concepts to be able to check for an unlocked phone, but being an iPhone flipper myself, and I'm guessing most of you are trying to get in the industry or already in the industry, this is a very important step, and I think this video was important to bring out to you guys, even though it might be a shorter video, because it will affect the value of the phone, especially if you're flipping on the eBay platform. You want to know if the phone is unlocked, because if you list it as AT&T and it's really AT&T unlocked, you're probably going to be missing out on maybe $100 profit solely because it is unlocked, because it does affect the phone's value significantly. So why not get more profit? It's an easy two-step thing to check. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Hit that little subscribe button below, just a little red button. I would love the support. And if you're not in the Phone Flipping Facebook group, definitely hit the link down below. It's the first link. It's called Phone Flipping Mastermind. Just 3 questions to get in. It's basically just to help me out, give me video ideas, answer any questions you may have. And just make sure you're subscribed because I always got to plug the channel. So with that said, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.